influencer. I'm not a stylist. So sorry, I'm like multitasking. My philosophy is this. That's good. Invest in quality products so that you don't have to go to the salon, right? Like, to me, it's a better investment to get high quality products, right? Versus having to, not get salon quality results or have to go to the salon, right? So this is not like a how-to. This is more of like, I literally have not tried this before. Yeah, and they stay nicely, which is great. Let's keep going. So again, we have small